So in this exercise, we're going to focus on the pen tool. To select the pen tool, you can press P on your keyboard, or you can select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left side of Illustrator. So you can select the pen tool and you can start drawing. In this case, we would like to start in a corner or at a straight line. And in case of a rectangle, it doesn't really matter where you start. So we start here, go to the next one, go to the next one, click. And then as you can see, we zoom in. But as you can see, if I go from the last point to from the one before the last, if we go from the third point to the last point, circle around my arrow appears, which means that we close the shape if we now click. So we want this, and therefore we click. So now we've created a shape which can be changed to another color. The pencil can be used to create any shapes you would like. So it's also possible to create a heart, for example. However, it is a bit more tricky than creating a rectangle since it has curved corners. So in this case, as we mentioned before, we would like to start in a corner or at a straight line. So in the case of the heart, we would like to start here or here. So let's start at the top. And instead of clicking, as we did with the rectangle, we would like to have it more curved. So in order to do this, we can go to this direct selection tool and we can move these points a bit. And then we can go to the window and go to properties. And you can here see that there's a menu that says convert, which means that if you click on a point and you convert it to a smooth line, the heart already appears. However, it's still not perfectly shaped. Therefore, we can adjust these handles to make sure that it ends up as you like it to be. The last one. This one. And now we have created the heart. This is one way how you can do it. The second way to draw a heart with the pen tool is to make smooth lines on the way, which means that if you start at this corner, you can choose to click on the point and make a straight line, or you can click and drag to make a curved line. So now we would like to have a curved line as well, and here we would like to have a more straight line. Now we would like to have a corner, however we have now a curved line. We can change this by pressing the P or clicking on the pen tool again to make sure that the pen tool is not longer on your arrow. If you press P again and you start from the point where you ended, you can finish your shape. Go to the selection tool, and now we have created two hearts in two ways, but the result's almost the same. And I can tell you that it doesn't really matter how you do it, as long as you do what you like, and you will get better in it by the minute.